Howdy, howdy. So we are out by Hobble Creek Golf Course right now. We're headed up the Hobble Creek road that heads over to Rock Canyon. We got a rolled side-by-side today. Rolled off a pretty steep cliff, he said. And we're gonna travel up there together. And it should be fairly easy, a lot of winching. Get it back up the cliffside. He said it's really, really steep, about 30 yards down. We'll see a little closer when we get there and get eyes on it. Brought the blue diesel and banner. Got me today running solo in here, and Dad and T are in the Green Land Cruiser banner. Ben's off today because he's headed to Arkansas. Come along and enjoy the ride.
Less work for us, so that's good.
Have a little bit of an angle. Then when we get them close, I'll just lift it up and over on the road with the boom. So.
Nearer? All the dust from that just went directly into my eyes.
All this stuff is stopped.
Yeah, but I'm 8 feet away from the edge with that tire, and 5 feet with this tire.
And against the bank there, and you're not turning.
So?
I'd go up kind of a little bit wider.
Well, if I go up any further, I'm going to be dragging through those trees. And I really don't think I'm having an issue with stability.
Never mind.
I'm in position. I'm going to winch this up.
Okay. I'm going to go move that one forward.
I'll move it. I'm going to put the nose where you guys are and then back it down.
Start pulling again in a minute, so everybody back up. 15 to 20 feet, guys. Good?
Okay, ready?
Can you guys back up a little bit more? If these things break, we don't want you getting hit with anything. Back up. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Not to re-spool.
Okay.
Good? All right, pull back. Ready?
Yep. Okay, hold on.
I might
How the blue diesel will pull it and see if we can get up this over the stump. Hold up.
That stump is just getting into it.
I want to re-spool.
Okay. Don't re-spool until he's not sitting right next to it.
Actually, let's both let it down. Let both out. Dad, can you let yours out? Keep going, both of them out. Okay, hold up. Dad, out a little. going. Dad, in. Keep going. Okay, stop. Dad, go ahead and re-spool.
That side is going up.
Yep, I know.
Just one next.
Go ahead and pull. Pull at the same time.
Mine turned off.
Okay, hold on, Dad.
Oh my gosh.
Go ahead, Dad. Pull upside down. Hold on. Okay. Bolt up. Come on, Dad. Let her catch up. Okay, hold on. Okay. Here. Okay. Let's get out of the way so that you guys can get through first. She starts. Nicely done.
We flipped you over fast. You should have seen us down there. When you still fill up with oil. We were like, we gotta flip it.
Yeah.
If there's oil in the cylinders, would it like be hard to start? Yeah.
It wouldn't start.
Really?
Yeah, it wouldn't even crank.
Really?
Yeah. It creates something called a hydrolock. So the combustion chamber fills up with liquid and it won't compact like air does. So then it just won't move the starter.
So you think the engine's okay and everything?
The engine's fine. Yeah.
Hey, you're getting to drive it out.
Yeah, I mean, it's already stopped smoking. There was very little oil that got in there. So, yeah, it's fine. These razors are actually pretty resilient. So. It doesn't even look like the cage is super messed up.
Just the front windshield, really.
Yeah.
You think the frame's alright too?
Yeah, so the frame is the cage on these. And I couldn't tell if it was knocked over, but it actually looks pretty square. So, yeah, I think you've got some plastic body pieces. That's it. So, that'd be easy to fix, and then next year you can roll it again.
Yeah. Next weekend.
Next weekend.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit that one out.
You didn't like the ride?
No, I was
You didn't enjoy it?
I mean, it was my favorite thing, no.
Yeah, I don't mind pulling it down if you want me to pull it down, but I see no problem driving it.
Yeah,
So.
wow. That was just crazy. That was really good. I thought it was going to be a little harder.
We make it look easy.
I know.
We
Yeah.
unfortunately we don't know how to dramatize stuff for the entertainment portion. So we do really intense recoveries, but they look super easy because we've been doing this for 25
Well,
years.
you guys are so calm about it. I was like over there having a panic attack. You're like, oh yeah, stop, go a little more, just a little slower. I was like, okay.
Yeah. So
Scream once in a while just for
Yeah. Maybe like
usually only when Big D's here.
Yeah,
These
I
ones
think
are pretty
I
slick.
have on here, what do you think?
It's a 2500.
2,500.
Yeah.
And these ropes are better than cable or what?
It depends on the quality. So if you buy, some cheap thing, Chinese thing off eBay, you're not going to get a lot of strength out of it. But if they're made well, the same diameter in synthetic line is stronger than the same diameter in steel cable.
Wow.
So if you have a well-made synthetic rope, then yeah, they're absolutely stronger. But the really beneficial thing about them is if you don't have a metal hook on the end. So I don't know if you noticed mine. There's no metal hooks. So yeah, I've got the end of the rope. They do a soft shackle.
They don't kill you.
So if something did break and came loose and this hit me, it would hurt real bad, but it wouldn't cut my leg off.
Yeah.
It wouldn't kill me.
Yeah.
So that's one of the reasons we do this is because it's much safer, much more protected.
Yeah.
So we do all synthetic.
Wow, that's smart. That was crazy.
Yeah. Let this down. The first time my wife rolled with me, it took her a little bit to get over it. So, like a week. Then she was fine.
Yeah.
It took my 6-year-old a little longer to get over it. It took her a couple months.
You think these two-seaters roll easier? Yeah, that's a good place up there.
I can turn around right here. I'll start buzzing these around and face them all the right direction.
That's my uncle.
What? Gauge is not
You just gotta remember he's.
Do you want me to give it to Maddie?
stretches.
the
It's
kinetic
a
energy
rope.
ropes are made to stretch
Oh.
repeatedly.
Because these are winch lines, way different.
Yeah.
Yanko makes them both. They're up in Idaho. They make them right there
Oh, really?
in Burley.
Yeah, my
Bush
phone
right
was
there.
on.
Yeah, underneath all that dead stuff.
Did you have to call
My
it?
phone.
Did you call it?
Yeah, some people way pulled it out. Yeah. Yeah, we found my
Well, it's not pretty, but